The next great event which will be discussed is mentioned in chapter 19 Maryam, verses 4 to 6.
He said, My Lord, indeed my bones have weakened, and my head has filled with white, and never have I been in my supplication to you, my Lord, unhappy, i.e. disappointed. And indeed I fear the success is after me, and my wife has been barren, so give me from yourself an heir, who will inherit me, and inherit from the family of Jacob, and make him, my Lord, pleasing to you.
This supplication of the Holy Prophet Zakariya, peace be upon him, teaches Muslims some etiquettes of supplicating to Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim should recognize their innate weakness and demonstrate this through actions and words, just like the Holy Prophet Zakariya, peace be upon him, did. This is an aspect of humility which increases the chances of a supplication being accepted. In addition, one should fulfill an important aspect of gratitude, which is to mention the blessings of Allah, the Exalted, during their supplication, which leads to an increase in blessings when it is supported by gratitude shown in one's actions. Showing gratitude in actions involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor.
Even though there is nothing wrong with asking for lawful worldly things, a Muslim should not be fooled into believing this is what the Holy Prophet Zakariya, peace be upon him, done. He did not supplicate for a child for worldly reasons, which the vast majority of Muslims do. He instead requested for a holy prophet, peace be upon him, who would continue his mission in spreading the word of Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, he did not request for a worldly thing, but a religious blessing from Allah, the Exalted. The inheritance mentioned in this supplication refers to this religious mission and not to worldly things, as the holy prophets, peace be upon them, do not leave wealth as inheritance, instead they only leave behind knowledge. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sunnah Ibn Majah, number 223. This great event also teaches Muslims to correct their intention, meaning the things they desire should be connected to the hereafter and not only to the material world. For example, a married couple should desire a child for the purpose of increasing the number of the obedient servants of Allah, the Exalted, on earth, and not for worldly reasons. This is only achieved when one raises their children according to the teachings of Islam. But this is only possible for a parent to do when they learn and act on Islamic knowledge themselves. A Muslim who desires religious things only does so in order to please Allah, the Exalted. And if Allah, the Exalted, chooses not to grant that thing to them, they should accept his choice with patience, as this is what pleases Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.